my name is Anushita Sharma, student of class 10th A from Bharatdevi Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today I am representing a presentation on topic analytical paragraph, which was the speaking assertion of speaking skills. This topic is from the English and our English teacher is Mr. Ashok sir. What is analytical paragraph? An analytical paragraph is a form of descriptive writing which is written in the form of giving chart, pie chart, data, graph, information, etc. When we write an analytical paragraph, we should be remember that best as possible manner to write the provided data. Features of an analytical paragraph. It should be read in the same tense. No use of our personal responses or personal views. It is write and describe the paragraph data information which was provided. Now we will discuss what was the way answer the analytical paragraph which was given in our exams, like as a paragraph which was given and a pie chart also be given. We should be read carefully and answer the questions which was asked by the questions.
What are the key features of analytical paragraph?
Analytical paragraph features is that we should write the pie chart or graph which was provided in the describely.
And which kind of graphs are provided in analytical paragraph?
There are many types of graph like as pie chart, chart, outlines, etc.
Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Sharma, student of class 10th from Bharatdevi Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today I am representing my ASL on from the diary of Anne Frank. Anne Frank was a young Jewish girl lived in Amsterdam. He was lived in Amsterdam, Netherlands during German occupation and World War II. So at that time the Nazi people tortured Jewish people. So that's why Anne and her family lived idly in for 2 years. But they got betrayed by someone. So and then they got sent to concentration camp where Anne's father was the only survivor. Then when he came back from concentration camp, he found Annie's diary and decided to publish this diary as a book. And when the diary got published, it became the most read book in the world, followed by Bible. So in the chapter, we got a extract from Annie's Frank diary. So first of all, Annie told us about why she started writing. She told us that she started writing because she had a lot of friends, but still she had no one that she can confide everything. She can't tell each and everything and her feelings about anyone. So that's why she started writing. And she also told us that people has more patience than people. Then she tells us about an instance from her school life, that was Mr. Kissing was her math teacher who was always annoyed with her, and one day he gave her an essay on chatterbox. It was quite weird topic for Annie, but still she tried her best and wrote 3 pages. And when the next day when Mr. Kissing read that essay, he was amused by Annie Frank's arguments, and then and because Annie Frank wrote in that essay that she can't do anything in being talkative because it is an inherited trait from her mother. So after a few days, Mr. Kissing gave her another essay on the incorrigible chatterbox. Again, Annie did her best. After a few days, again, Mr. Kissing gave her another essay.
First of all, why Annie was not perfect to speak to her friends?
Because she was kind of introvert. She can't confide everything to anyone, and she had a lot of friends. It's not like that, but still she can't share all the feelings and emotions to anyone.
What are the topics which was given by the teacher to write an essay to Annie?
There was 3 topics. The first one was the chatterbox, then the second one was the incorrigible chatterbox, and the third one was the quack quack said Mr. Chatterbox.
Thank you.
Thank you.